I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my pear-shaped Smart Doll here. Marvel, love this doll. Such a beautiful face. And I had these outfits all lined out to do a video when Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby, isn't that a cute name, asked if I would do a pair in 18-inch doll clothes. And I said, funny you ask. I bought these on clearance a while back. So we're gonna, oh, this is the one I really wanna try. I wish I had a cowboy hat to fit her, but I still have to find that. I'm gonna take her with me to, or take one of them with me to Hobby Lobby and see if I can get one of those cute little doll hats, cowboy hats to fit. One thing you need to be careful of with your Pear Smart Doll is that the outfit doesn't look too childish. This is really on the borderline for me, so I'm not sure I'm going to open it. Oh, what the heck, let's do it. But here's the one I want to see. Here's one that has a little jacket. Now, I know for a fact that this is going to be shorter on my Smart Doll, which means the sleeves are going to be shorter too. But let's try it on. Let's take a look at it and then try it on her. It is cute. It's cute for both the 18-inch doll and the Pear. Oh, you know what? That's like velveteen. I need to be very careful. This doesn't, I won't leave it on my doll. Oh, of course it has the white, but that could stain. Let's look at the inside of this. I am not a Velcro hater. I like Velcro. I don't know how it got such a bad name. I think it's great stuff. It's fast, it's easy, and it lasts a very long time. This also has a Velcro in the back. This little dress is really, really made well. It is very cute, and oh no, it is divided. Well, that's odd. You would have thought that they would have just put that on there, but okay, let's get it on her. I would say that this outfit, that'd be cute on an 18-inch doll too. I would say it's a win on a Smart Doll. I think it's cute. You got that 3/4 inch sleeve. It fits right for that. I love the little underdress. Now, would I put something under that? Maybe even just tights? I would. Probably leggings or jeans would be cute. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a good fit. It wraps around her booty real cute. I'd say this is a win. I like it. This set is very cute for an 18-inch doll. Very cute. And it has a bracelet with it that I used as a choker. That worked okay. Not great, but okay. The shoes, I didn't even try. I knew those wouldn't work. But it's not awful. I hate the skirt. It looks like an adult playing dress up. But the top with jeans wouldn't be bad. The you know, the 3/4 inch works again. It's better than I thought it was going to be. I like it. Be cute if I had jeans in this same color fabric. I would like that. The top, I'm going to pull this skirt off. I really don't like it on her. It's cute for 18-inch doll. The top, I think, is really cute. And it fits, well, I have it sideways because I'm like that. Okay, let me straighten that out. That's pretty cute. And I kind of like the choker, although it's pretty tight. So you might be careful. You don't want to stress that vinyl there. Let's try this last outfit. Okay. I like it. I like some of it. Ooh. I think it's adorable on the little 18-inch doll. I mean adorable. On the Smart Doll, I do not like the watch. It's Velcro, and you could change that to Smart Doll size. That would work. The skirt is cute. What's happening here is this has been in the package, flattened out. You can see from here to here. If that were ironed down, Darren and I used to go on horse rides in Wisconsin. They were a weekend long. And on Saturday night, there was always live music and a dance. And a lot of the gals dressed up in really fancy Western wear, so I really like it. I do not like the belt, just a personal opinion at all. Cute for the 18-inch, not so cute for the Smart Doll. But the shirt, I love. The shirt is really cute. And, you know, it's got the little fold-over pockets. I like it. So I would call this one a win. The first one, I love. This is a nice quality, well-made outfit. Just cute as it can be. I like this on the Smart Doll. We are having a hidden giveaway in this video. Haven't done one in a while. And this is going to go out to somebody who leaves the words Smart Doll or 18-inch. In my comments. And if you have an 18-inch doll or a Pear Smart Doll or whatever doll you want to put this on, I am happy to mail this out to you. We'll have a, oh, what do you call those spins, Darren? Those electronic spins. For the people who write 18-inch or Smart Doll in their comment. Everybody, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. There you go, Holly. I hope that helps. I hope that you will get a pair because I love my marble. I think mine's in cinnamon, but she's gorgeous in tea also. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and don't forget the code words.